Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Today we go local. We'll look at the annual report 2020 for Zambia sugar. That is what we'll be looking at today. But we'll focus on the income statement. What we want to do is to come up with a profit waterfall chart. Last time we came up with a cash flow waterfall chart, which you can easily, if you haven't watched the video, I think there'll be need for you to search it and watch. But again, maybe I should actually ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we actually grow the community. So this is the 2020 audited, the annual report. This obviously is audited. This is for the group. Revenue up to, I think we'll go only up to the profit for the year. That is my area of interest. It's just a principle that I'm trying to show you how you can create a waterfall chart. You don't need to have serious or good Excel skills. Out of a scale of 10, maybe 1 is adequate for you to come up with a chart that we are going to develop here, or which I'm going to develop with you. So we go to the Microsoft Excel. These are the numbers that I've picked. Revenue, cost of sales, operating expenses, finance cost, taxation, and profit for the year. So we set up the chart, and this is how we're going to do it. We'll pick this number. Remember that if it's a positive down, in this case it's a profit, you need to convert it, you need to change it to a negative. But I'll show you why you should actually do that. So, I've already put the format here, sorry. This is the format I've put. Oh, no, I haven't. So check. If we don't play around with the data, this is what is going to come out, and this is not what we want. We want this chart, profit for the year, to start from 0. That is what we want to do. So the only way we can do that is to convert this number down here to a negative. Okay? But then we're not going to leave it as a negative like this, because whoever checks on the source data will get confused that you got a loss, yet the chart is giving you something like a positive. So what are we going to do? We're going to change the formatting. One thing about Excel, or as you learn Excel and you reach at a ninja scale of maybe 5 to 10, you get to appreciate the custom formats. It is one area that has been very unexploited, underutilized by so many Excel users. So this is what we're going to change. So you press Control 1. This is my favorite function, and I've always said you can use this as my favorite shortcut. You can adopt it. So we'll pick this number or this thing, copy, semicolon, do like this. So what you're saying here, the interpretation that if it is a positive, leave it as a positive. But if it's negative, don't put a minus. So if I do like this, I put a minus there, you see there will be a minus. If I change, I do like this, it will have that. So I don't want it to, whether it's positive or negative, it should come out as a positive. Okay. So this is what we are going to do, and this is ideally when you look at this number, it is a negative. Okay, when you look at it with your own bare eyes, it looks like it's positive. Yet it is a negative number. changing. You can see now how this chart has changed. So we can pick this chart. Let's do this. So we'll also change it from here in the source. We'll do the same thing. That is hash, comma hash, hash 0, semicolon. Again, we'll do the same thing. Say add, so that we remove that negative. Thank you. So we can pick this thing and do this. We can pick it and go and manipulate it from here. We'll remove the grid lines. We'll also remove the border. Today we have born local. Remove that. What else do we have to do here? Draw. Go to the tick marks inside. Change the line to solid line. We'll do the same thing here. Change it to solid line. And go in there. Have it outside so that we create the demarcations nicely. What other thing do we have to do? We'll go to design, our source. Oh yeah, just 1,000. Okay, change that. Leave it in white. So, change the font. Then change that. Change this. Interesting. Delete that. That. Sorry, we have to remove these boundaries. Go there, pick no line. Okay. What else do we do? Change that. Zambia. Sugar kerosene. So if you want to change, if you think these bars are too big, just do Ctrl 1 and change the width like this. Okay, thank you so much. And before I do that, let me just interpret it for you. So what it means that if you have revenue up there as what they got, which is 3.3 billion, the cost of sales is this. So the difference, the space between here, am I able to do that? I think I am. Let me just try to do it. Let me just try to do it. This space from here to there, this space is the gross profit. Then you have now your operating expenses. So the space from here is earnings before interest and tax. This is EBIT. Remember that in the operating expenses, there's depreciation already. So we cannot assume that this is EBITDA. If we didn't have depreciation in here, then we would have actually taken this as EBITDA, then gone for the EBIT after subtracting depreciation. But in this case, this is earnings before interest and tax, this space here. You can see the space is actually reducing over time. Then, after all these costs on finance costs, taxation, this space here, this is your profit, which is basically this down there. So thank you so much. For those that want to learn financial modeling, dashboard reporting, if you want to go into details, maybe trying to learn on how to come up with a renewable energy financial financial models in poultry, real estate, then you can just get in touch and we'll be there to help you. But I'm just asking for you guys to just hit the subscription button so that any new material that we publish, you'll be the first one to see it for free. So thank you so much and bye-bye.